Hey everyone friends, welcome to the LAN channel. Today I'll show you how to play over LAN through the launcher in Minecraft. So for this, we go into single player. We enter the world you want to play in with people, with other players. Now press escape and click the open to LAN button there and click open local world. And now everyone who's on the same network with you, connected to the same internet, the same Wi-Fi, will see your game in multiplayer. Let me show you now, right here. There, but if you're far apart, you can use an app called Hamachi. Just go in, download it, install it. Here, click network, create a new network. Right? So, go to network, create a new network. And whoever's joining you clicks join an existing network. Right? So, like this. And this way you create a network ID. Password there, and whoever's playing with you clicks join and enters this password here, there, and after that, even if you're far apart, you'll be able to connect to each other. This was Wella. See you everyone.